Executives responsible for maintaining and improving infrastructure have discovered the usefulness of drones. When visual inspections of a structure's exterior need to be thoroughly documented, using a drone is safer and more cost-effective than traditional methods. One of the challenges of working with drones is organizing, storing, and sharing the content they provide. Drones gather a lot of information very quickly. A few hours of flight can result in dozens of large video files or thousands of photos. And one part of a structure often looks much like another. GPS and other metadata collected during a drone's flight can be used to help locate where a shot was taken. Frames of video can be saved as an image, but these images are usually much lower in resolution and have many more artifacts than a photograph taken with the same drone. We prefer to use photographs over video. This is a 4K frame. A 20 megapixel photo is 150% larger, so it provides much more detail to zoom into. But finding the right photograph can be just as challenging as finding the right video frame. Many drones will allow a series of images to be taken from one location automatically, and then stitched into a panorama. This preserves the individual image's field of view in context with its surroundings. It also provides an index to the direction the drone was pointing when each image was taken. Introducing Cataloger, a cloud-based content management system for site survey images. Cataloger automatically organizes your drone-acquired images using metadata, maps, and panoramas, making the original high-resolution images easy to find and share. Let's take a look around. At the top of the screen is a drop-down box that allows you to select the site you'd like to work with. Once a site is chosen, the next drop-down lets you choose from the dates available to view. The map on the left has markers for each location where images were taken. Once a marker is clicked, you can select from the available altitudes. The right-hand side of the screen shows a preview shot from the selected location and altitude. Clicking on the preview opens the panorama viewer. You can navigate inside the panorama viewer by left-clicking and dragging. The mouse wheel can be used to zoom in and out. Once an area of interest is found, a URL shortcut can be created by clicking on the clipboard icon in the main screen. This shortcut can be pasted into your notes or shared via email. Back in the panorama viewer, the icons at the top left can be used to zoom in and out or to enter full screen mode. The compass in the lower right helps you quickly orient yourself. The dark needle points north, which is the same direction as the top of the map. Just below the panorama viewer, there's a checkbox labeled Image Source Hotspot. Checking this box turns on clickable red dots. These dots are hotspots that allow you to access the original full-resolution images that make up the panorama. An image can be downloaded or viewed online in a separate browser tab. Cataloger makes organizing and sharing your site survey images effortless. Claim your free demo account today by clicking on the link in the description or by scanning this QR code.